How to change aim and targeting settings in PUBG Mobile. In order to change aim and targeting settings in PUBG Mobile, open up PUBG Mobile and tap on the arrow icon from the bottom right hand corner of the screen, as you can see there. Now after you've done that, you can simply go to this option called settings. Now from settings, you want to go to the second option that says controls. From controls, from the top, you can go to the option called advanced controls. Now from advanced controls, if you scroll down under assist features, you can see all the aim assist and all of the other features that you can change. So now you can go ahead and then change any setting that you like. This way you can change aim and targeting settings in PUBG Mobile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.